Hey guys, this is Chelsea and I'm going to show you how I have my Pocket Ring Pele Studio planner set up for Halloween. So down here I have some charms from Lil Susie Designs on Etsy. I'll link it down below. I'm going to try to link all the shops that I mention in the description. And like I said, the planner itself is from Pele Studio, however you want to pronounce it, and I definitely recommend this shop. This is the only planner I've purchased from them, but I am very impressed. The quality is amazing, and I actually do have an unboxing of this if you're interested. It's up on my channel. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, so in this back pocket I have a sheet of bow header stickers from our shop. My shop is called Shine Sticker Studio and we're on Etsy. We're trying to get a website going. It's just taking some time. And then this bow clip is from Little Miss Daisy Rose and I just stuck one of our skull stickers on it. This is just a piece of paper that I put a bunch of washi on, and then this is a die cut from Stationery Heaven Co. This pocket folder is from our shop, but depending on when you watch this video, we may not have any more. I'm not sure. Up at the top, I have this cloud clip from Little Miss Daisy Rose. It's one of my favorites. And some more washi, and then this clip I got from Van Sticky like last year or the year before. I don't know, it was a long time ago. It came in her like shop-iversary box, I think. This is a pumpkin clip back here from the Angel Shop, and then I just made this die cut, and then this star clip is from Peony's Papery, I'm pretty sure. So some of the stuff that's in here is going to be the same as my last setup if you watched it. I think I had this, I don't know. These are some sticky notes from Five and Below. And then I got this pocket from, it's like one of those jelly pockets from Pink Moon Diaries on Instagram. She makes them herself, she sews them and everything. I think this is also from Peony's Papery, and I just have a die cut from Stationery Heaven Co. and one of our business cards back here. I just made, like all my dashboards and everything I made myself using things that I already had laying around because I didn't want to spend a ton of money on setting this up. So I just put some of our stickers on this really pretty paper. And then this is just a bow die cut that I made. And I made another washi dashboard. So this is my inbox, and I'm not really sure how to use this, so I just deck it out with some sticky notes, and I have some stickers in here from our shop. This is like a pocket here. And this and my other dividers are from Type A for Alexa, but she's not currently taking any orders, but I'll still link her Instagram down below. Okay, so I took some washi tape and washied over the vinyl just to give it some added decoration, and then I stuck one of our die cuts on there. And then this is our vellum. And so this is a monthly insert that I made myself, and this is from Stationery Heaven Co. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is from Peony's Papery. So it's pretty basic, but I wanted something clean, undated, that I could print out every month. So I think this will just be really functional for me, and it'll take up less space in my planner because I can do a month on just one page. And then this little tab, these are also in our shop. And then this is some vellum from Haley's Handmade Co. with a coffee sticker from the Angel Shop, and I just put one of our pumpkin stickers on top of it so it became like a pumpkin spice latte. This is another dashboard that I made using some of our hollow stickers and die cut. It's going to be really hard to see the hollow under this lighting. It probably just looks like silver foil, which is very disappointing, but that's okay. And then on the back, I have a picture of my baby. This is Penny. And then some vellum that I got at Go Wild. So this is my weekly section, and I did put a little Target pocket on the front, and I stuck in this freebie that we were giving out during our fall weekend sale. And then more of our vellum. So I made these inserts too, and it's just an undated week on one page, and then you have a tracker over here with the box. So I like it so far. And then this clip is, this is a collab we did with Ashley Lee Designs. So she made all of these, and they're super cute. We don't have any more, but maybe someday we'll order more. Maybe we'll order something else from her someday. Okay, but I definitely recommend her shop. She has some very nice clips and tabs and things like that. This is a freebie from Banana Doodle Shop, and I just stuck these cute cat sticky notes on the back. Here's another dashboard that I made. This is from Banana Doodle Shop, and this is from Stationery Heaven Co. And then this last section is my notes section, but it's kind of like a brain dump. It has a lot of different things in it. So I did make a couple of sub tabs up here. So for my bills section, I titled it Adulting Sucks, and I made these inserts myself too. They're pretty basic, but they're helping me keep track of my bills because I pay most of them online, so I needed a space to write in confirmation numbers when I make the payment, so that this is kind of like my receipt for when I pay them. And then this says lists, but honestly it's not really lists. I'll show you what the inserts look like. These are from Annie Plans, and it's her collab with Happy Scrappy, I think. They're super cute. I love the little bows, and I like how functional these are. I definitely recommend Annie Plans if you haven't checked out her inserts yet. But I really like these for making lists because, like, for example, I can put like the most important things for a list, and then below have more things in detail. I don't know, I just really like it. And then I have just some vellum. I think this is from Hobby Lobby, and then this magnetic clip is from 3 Glitter Peas, and I just have it clipped to some foil stickers that I got at Go Wild. And these are some sticky notes I got from Target, I think, a long time ago. So this is kind of like my notes section. I have shop ideas and stuff in here, so I'm not going to show that to you because it's some sneaky peekies. And then back here I have a page lifter from Foxy Fix with a sticker and one of our die cuts on it. And then tucked in this back pocket, I have a tri-fold pocket folder thing that I made. So on the front, I just have this bow, hollow bow clip from the Angel Shop, and this is from the Honeybee Shop. And I made this thing out of our vellum, and I laminated it. This is from Hello Paper Cat. And I just keep like samplers from other shops in here and little page flags. It's just really cute and convenient, and I feel like I use my samplers more because they're in my planner and they're easily accessible. So yeah, that's my Halloween setup. It's not very spooky, but it's cute, and that's my thing. So I hope you guys liked this setup. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.